Hello, good day, viewers. You're welcome to today's class. I remain your tutor, Aisha Bindi. Today, we shall look at the Massachusetts Comprehensive Assessment System, which is MCAS. So, we shall be solving questions in mathematics for grade 3 today. This is a past question from 2022. So, there are some directions for completing the questions with the answer grids here, which we can look out for. We have about 7 directions. So for every class, we shall be solving one question at a time. We're going to begin with session 1, question 1. The question reads, a teacher asked a group of students, what color is your backpack? The teacher recorded the total numbers for each color in the table shown. So we have the colors and the number of backpacks for each color. For black, there are 10 backpacks. For blue, there are 13. For green, there are 2. While the last one, which is red, there are 9. So this question now requires us to find out which of these bar graphs shows the total number for each color in the teacher's table. So to answer this question effectively, we have to analyze each of the graph and ensure that the graph tallies with the table we have as given in the question. So let's begin with option A. Looking at option A in the bar graph, the black here indicates that there are 10. And in the table, there are also 10. So this shows that the number of blacks as indicated in the graph is correct. The blue here indicates that there are 12. However, from the table, the number of blue black packs are 13. So that means that in the graph, the number of the blue black packs is not indicated correctly. Moving on to the next one, which is the green. There are 2 green black packs, which also tallies in the graph. So the green is correct. While for the last one, which is the red, in the graph, we have 9 red backpacks, but from the graph, it indicates that there are 8 of them, okay? Just as we have here. So there are 8 of them. So this shows that the value for the red as shown in the graph is not correct. So for, for us to get the correct answer, all the values in the table must tally with the values in the bar graph. If anyone is not correct, that means that option is not the correct answer. So looking at this, option A is not the correct answer. So let's analyze option B. From the graph, the black backpack shows there are 10, which is correct. The blue black pack from the graph shows that there are 13 because after 12, here in the middle of 12 and 14, we have 13 here, okay? So this shows that the blue is 13, and according to the table given, is also 13. So the value is correct. The green, we have 2, and also on the graph, it shows that it's 2, okay, when tracing. So the green is correct. The red from the table is 9, and also as seen on the bar graph, it also indicates that it is 9 because the graph shows that the number of the red backpacks is between 8 and 9, okay? So this shows that it is correct. So all the values in option B are correct. So option B is likely to be the correct answer. However, we still have to analyze the other options to be on a safer side. Let's look at option C. For the black, we have 10, which is correct. For the blue, from the table, there are 13, but here indicates that there are 14, so the blue is not correct. The green is 2, Why the red from the table is 9, but from the graph here it shows that they are 10. So this is not correct. So this also indicates that option C is not a correct answer. Analyzing the last option, which is option D, the black backpacks here shows that it is 10, which is correct. The blue from the table is 13. However, from the graph here indicates that it is 11, which is in between 10 and 12. Okay, so this is not correct. The green is 2 from the table and also from the graph is 2. Red, we have it as 9 from the table, but from the graph it shows that it is in between 6 and 8, and the number in between 6 and 8 is 7. So this shows that the red black packs are 7 of them, which ought to be 9. So this also is not correct. So the correct answer for question number 1 is option B. Okay, so students, see you in the next class as we move on to question number 2. Bye for now.